Evidence that Islam is the truth. There are a lot of verses in the Quran that say the entire universe was created in 6 days. Now we can agree that days is a period of time, and days stated aren't like Earth days, which are 24 hours long, because on Venus, for example, a full day on Earth is equal to 243 Earth days on Venus, so we don't know what 6 days equate to in the Quran. So we will refer to 6 days as 6 distinct periods of time, so that everything in this universe was created within these 6 periods. Now, in another verse from the Quran, Allah says that the earth was created in 2 days, hence 2 distinct periods of time. So it took 6 days to create the universe, and 2 of those days were creating the earth. Now let's do basic math. So it took 2 out of 6 periods to create the earth, which equate to 2 divided by 6, which will equal to 1 divided by 3, which will equal 0.33. Now according to NASA, the universe is 13.7 billion years old, but how old is Earth? According to National Geographic, the Earth is estimated to be 4.543 billion years old. Let's do basic math again. Remember the 0.33 in the beginning? Now divide the age of the Earth by the age of the universe, which is 4.543 billion years divided by 13.7 billion years, and it will equal to 0.33. Share this with everyone you know.